Hello, hi, and welcome to Vacuum Cleaner Tech and Car Obsessed. My name's John. I haven't done a video for a while, but I felt compelled to do a quick video, purely really because my wife recently decided to renew her power bank. So she's currently using the Anker 7352, sorry, and this power bank is quite good. But she's had issues with the charging time of the power bank, so she was looking at other power banks, and she decided that she wanted something that was faster, slightly more capacity, and had a bit more versatility. And as you can probably see already, she chose this one, which is the Anker 737. It's a very good choice. She also chose something else with the Anker as well. This is on a Black Friday deal from Amazon. She also chose this, which is the 737 Series 7 charging cable. This is the additional cable, so there is one inside that box. This is an additional cable which is also capable of 140 watts. It's braided as well. This is the 6-foot option, by the way. So what we're going to do in this quick video is we're going to unbox it, and we're going to have a look at it brand new as it comes from Anker, and then we're going to start the charging. When you purchase one of these for the first time, they should always be shipped with charge in them, because of the kind of batteries that they've got. You should always fully charge them before you use them for the first time. So as you can see, the packaging from Anker is there's very a lot of quality. It's packaged very well, so you can see it's in there now. It's packaged with protective cardboard either side, and it's coated as well, so that the power bank doesn't get damaged as it comes out. And inside the box, if we take this out here, just pull the center out here, you'll see that they also give you your little booklet. Yeah, okay. And your pouch, which can actually, it's quite a smooth, soft pouch, so you can actually use that to wipe the screen. And then inside the pouch is the cable. Now this comes as standard with the 737, and this is 140 watt cable. So this power bank, the normal retail price of this power bank is £140 as per the Anker website. There is an offer on at the moment. Let's move that box out of the way. There is an offer on at the moment. Black Friday deal on Amazon. My wife got this for under £100, and she even managed to pick up a case for the power bank as well. Yeah, I'm wrapping these things on camera. You never know what's going to happen to you. Here we go, check that out of the way. Right, let's put that down so we don't mark it, as it is brand new, isn't it? Yeah, so my wife's interested me to unwrap this and set it up for the first use. So as you can see, it's looking quite a nice power bank. Now obviously it is, it does have some weight to it. They're not the smallest power banks, and they're certainly not the lightest. But putting this inside the bank and comparing inside a backpack, for example, and comparing it to the 7352, the 352, I'll be honest with you, there's not much comparison in weight. I mean, this doesn't have this obviously has a deeper, because of the way the batteries are, it is deeper, but this isn't really, you don't really notice the weight of this when it's in a backpack. Now the benefits of this power bank, the 737, is that obviously it can do 140 watts, as it says on the box. 140 watt high speed input and output. So obviously you've got two USB-C ports on there. One of them's an input, one of them's just an output. One of them's an input and output, which is C1, yeah, and then C2 is just an output. And then you've got your traditional USB-A port, which can be used for charging low-powered devices, like AirPods and stuff like that. This particular charger is 24,000 milliamps, 140 watt, and smart display. So this does have a display on it. This is more than capable of charging laptops, tablets, iPhones, Apple, iPads, laptops. I haven't had an issue with it charging anything, to be honest with you. It's done phones, it's done even done my smartwatch. Yeah, so it hasn't had an issue doing anything like that. So obviously this is brand new. So if we turn it on for the first time and we press the button, look, it doesn't come on. It's dead. Okay. Now the reason why it's dead is that's not broken. It's because when it's shipped from Anker, you have to plug it in for it to be activated. So this is our cable. This particular model, the 737, does not have any wireless capabilities. So there's nothing underneath for connecting to a docking station or anything. That's the Prime model that has that function. And we're going to plug this into my charger here. We want it on 140 watt section. And we'll turn it on under the desk. And then we'll stand the power bank up so you can see. It will take a few seconds to start up. We bring it a bit closer so the camera can, I don't want to go too close because the camera might not sure if you guys can make that out, but that should be showing around about 120 watts. Yeah, so we've got 120 watts input there at the minute. It's dropped a little bit. Okay, all right. But yeah, so we've got an input on that. Now, if we look at the battery of this, oh, we can see this is actually on 1%. So they actually shipped it with no power inside it. That's not normally what Anker do. They do tend to ship it with power. So obviously we can't use the power bank when it's dead. Now, obviously it's gone up now on the power now. So it's showing us around about 115. It's saying here that the charge time of the power bank now is 45 minutes at that current rate. So this power bank is capable of charging in an hour. It does depend really on the charge that you use. So Anker do a charger that they class as a 737 charger, which is a 120 watt wall charger. That's pretty effective and it's very good. However, if you charge this via a traditional USB-C outlet, yeah, you're probably not going to get the 140 watts. You're probably going to be looking at between 60 to 120, depending on what you're using. So if you do want to maximize the charge time and charge it as effectively as possible and as fast as possible, yes, use this applied cable because it is a 140 watt cable, but you do need to have a compatible charger. Personally, the charger I'm using at the moment, which you may have noticed, is a desk charger. This is a 240 watt charger. I think it's a bit overkill to use with just charging the 737, to be honest with you, because it's touching 120 watts now, but this charger is capable of going up 240 watts. We may see it touch 140, but it will never consistently stay at that charge rate because it will adjust as it's charging. According to this at the minute, we've gone down on the charge time, so it says it's going to be 40 minutes until it's fully charged. So while we're letting it charge, you can have a quick look at the display. So this display will show you the battery percentage, how much in there, C1 obviously, which is the input, so we know how much wattage we've got going in, and then below this percentage we've got how long it takes for it to charge. When you're using it and powering devices or charging devices with it, then that time will show you how much is left before you need, before the power bank is depleted. We've got, when we press it here now, we've got some more information like temperature. We've got battery life cycle percentage. We've got watt hours. We've got battery cycle. Now, battery cycle basically is how many charge cycles it's had, and charge cycles are calculated from 0 to full. And we've got auto screen, so we can change that function if we want to just by double pressing. And then we're back to our menu. Now this screen does make a big difference when it comes to a power bank, because you can see how much power you're drawing. You can also see how much power you're putting into the power bank, but you can also see on the graph how much percentage you've got and how long it's going to take to effectively charge it. So this power bank is technically going to be charged in about 39 minutes. So yeah, so that's the 737 power bank. Before we close the video, I will just show what the case looks like. So this is the case. Now the case is obviously hard, see, so it's got some protection to it. Yeah, so if you open this up, as you can see, you've got where your power bank goes in, and then you've got a little thing here for putting the cable in, which is very helpful. So this is a really good travel case. Something else I meant to say to you as well about the 737 is that the 737 is compatible to go on an airline. Yeah, it can go on an airplane. So if you're traveling and you want to take a power bank with you on holiday, the 737 is compatible for that. And you can take it on the airplane with you. Obviously, you do need to check your specific flight and locations, because some airlines may have special requirements. But the majority of the ones that I've looked at, this is compatible to go onto an airline, so you can take it with you. I believe you put it in your hand luggage, and you can use it to charge your devices, camera, phone, tablet, things like that, and watch. So that's quite good. So yeah, I'll do another video and showing of how it can charge different devices, and I'll also do another video to show this cable a little bit more in depth. We can't really utilize this cable properly at the moment, because we need to charge the power bank for the first time, and also we need to have devices that we can actually charge with it. So it gives me a chance to run some devices down to actually test. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye.